In this video, let us solve for x given 4 raised to power x is equal to 20. We are given 4 raised to power x is equal to 20. This is an exponential equation. Let us take the logarithm of both sides. So we have log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 20. The left-hand side expression, which is log 4 raised to power x, is of the form log p raised to power n. And by law of logarithm, we can express this as n times log p. This would then imply that our equation becomes x times log 4 equal to log 20. I'm going to get rid of this logarithm by dividing both sides by log 4. So that this now takes care of this. We are left with x is equal to log 20 divided by log 4. We can also write this as x is equal to log. Since we have 4 here, I can express 20 as 4 times 5. So let's change this to 4 times 5. Then divided by log 4. Then this expression here, we see it of the form log a times b. This will give us log a plus log b by law of logarithm, so that our equation now becomes x is equal to log 4 plus log 5, then both divided by log 4. We can separate this division to give us x equal to log 4 divided by log 4, then plus log 5 divided by log 4. Log 4 divided by log 4 here will give us 1. Then we have x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. We can also write this as x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4 here is 2 raised to power 10, which would then give us x equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by 2 times log 2. Let us rewrite this as x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 divided by log 2. This is so that we can clearly see log 5 divided by log 2, which is of the form log a divided by log b. And by law of logarithm, this will give us log a base b. So this expression here, or this fraction, becomes log 5 base 2. Then x becomes 1 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 base 2. And this will then be our final answer to this problem. Before we conclude this as our final answer, we need to do a quick check by substituting this value of x back into our given problem, which was 4 raised to power x is equal to 20. So in place of x here, we substitute all of this, which will then give us 4 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 base 2 to give us 20. We need to separate these powers, and to do that we apply this law of indices, p raised to power a plus n. This will give us p raised to power a times p raised to power n. So we have 4 raised to power 1 times 4 raised to power half log 5 base 2 to give us 20. 4 raised to power 1 is 4. 4 raised to power 1 over 2 will give us square root of 4. Then raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 20, giving us 4 times square root of 4 is 2, so 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 20. By law of logarithm, this expression here, 2 raised to power log 5 base 2, is of the form p raised to power log a base p. By law of logarithm, this will give us a. So this expression here will give us 5. Therefore, we now have 4 here times 5 to give us 20. And 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 20 is equal to 20. And since the left-hand side balances the right-hand side, it confirms that this value we got for x is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And also remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.